Throwing these off the jump pad.
Nice.
I hate how it's not accurate, dude. Bothers me. I'll kill Lifeline.
One's on your right.
Lifeline's dead.
2 of them.
Hannah, you're on an island for a sec. We have,
Knocked one.
we have another team. Hannah, I'm coming.
Here.
Yep. Another team. I knocked
Tyler,
one.
Tyler on an island now?
Yeah.
One's chasing.
Yeah, chasing. Dead. Alright, come back, Ty.
Yeah.
One's low. Let's go, baby! I'm coming, Ty. Good job.
I'm good.
That guy got destroyed.
On the right.
Team on top as well.
This team's dead. Oh, nice shot. I got crabbed.
Come in.
Okay.
I am,
You know where
I am
from?
safe. Yeah, from the tower, right side of the tower. Oops. Bad thing.
Okay.
Last guy has a crab.
I don't.
Under me?
Caustic.
Dead. Good job. Hell yeah. Dead for 40. Broke a shield. He's low, Ty. The other
Yeah,
one,
dead.
I'm dead though. Fuck.
Guy on the left.
I'm dead. Wait. Nope, I'm not. Go, Hannah. Go, Hannah. Go, Hannah. Got him.
Yay.
Nice. Good job.
Nice. Your robot.
Where did it go?
It got hit off the drone.
Oh no.
It went off the jump pad.
Bobo?
Come here.
That's so funny.
I heard the noise and I didn't see anyone take the jump pads. So I don't know what happened. Guys on me?
Team in here. Yeah.
Wait, nobody got that guy's purple armor, by the way. I broke blue armor on one. Purple armor. Behind you, behind you. Bangler. I'll kill her. Or Octane, rather. I'll kill Octane. Whoever the hell this is.
On me. Behind you guys.
Behind me with purple armor. Above me. I'm dead. Oh, man. What the hell happened?
Me and Ty.
What? That was such a lame, like, play that they did. I don't even understand why they did that.
Oh, I'm
shit.
getting sniped. Ah!
Are you
I
okay?
had to get that body armor.
I need light ammo. I don't have any.
I knew there was purple shield there, so I was going. Guys on me, real close. Purple armor on Mirage. 1 HP on purple.
Yeah.
Oh no. Race slow. Mirage dead. Race dead. Lifeline. Last one. Very low. No, 1 HP. Oh. One of them had purple armor, by the way.
Yeah, you get it.
Almost had you, GG. Oh, that's why you rushed me. I was so confused. I didn't understand. Because you guys won the fight against my teammates, but then you gave up the fight to go kill me. And I didn't understand why. It made no sense. There was no, like, there was no logic to the reason of you guys pushing me like that. And I was just trying to understand what you guys were thinking. But that makes sense if you knew it was... Oh, me! Broke 1 armor, Wraith. Bangler's 1 HP. Nice. Pathfinder's broken armor too. Wraith's dead.
Push him.
Enemy down. Whole squad ate my dust.
There's another team on our left too.
I'm gonna die, I think. Wraith's kind of low. Nice. Thank you. You just saved my life, Ty.
On top of the wall.
I have no batteries.
All the donations given
I got
today
you.
go to charity work.
I have some too here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll
Mark.
I'll split it.
Up top.
I'll split it based on the 3 that we
Top
choose.
left.
What the? What happened to my jump pad?
Top as well. Behind you, Mike.
Yeah.
And you, for the bubble.
Good.
I didn't realize there was a guy behind me, so that helped. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
You going right?
Throwing arc.
No.
I hit myself. God damn it, Michael. What are you doing? They really need to rework Gibraltar's shields. His Q is so bad. It definitely helps out the enemy more than you.
Yeah,
'Cause
certain ways, yeah.
Like, I mean, there can be a way that you could use it. I don't know.
Where the fuck I am?
Maybe, maybe not. I've just never seen it used very well. That's the thing. Thank you, man.
Team on the drop.
Yeah, my surgery's Friday. I
on
appreciate it,
top
my
of the
dude.
wall.
My doodle.
Okay.
Camping above me, last team. They're all up here. One's on the outside of the fence.
Got one. Ah! No, man. I'm done. Yep.
No.
That was the guy that downed me. I don't know where the other
Yeah.
one went. You want me to fall or you want us to win?
You
Where
can
the fuck I am?
I'll fall.
do
Whatever.
both.
I got hit by a Gibraltar ult and it owned me. That's why I
You are
died.
the Apex champions.
Where the
Say what?
fuck I am?
Invite only or whatever. Oh, damn, there's people all over. What the heck? What the heck? There's one more in this building, Ty.
One's in the hut. One
Behind
came
you,
in.
behind you.
Aw.
I think there's more. Oh, wait, what?
First blood.
In.
Doorway.
Down. Nice, Ty.
What the fuck is going on, dude?
One more.
my
69. Dead.
Oh my god.
Boom. Another one.
One. Oh, that's you.
Come here, another one.
Hold on, I'm using a syringe.
For real.
Sick.
Lifeline.
Yeah. Where's it? He's rezzing. I'm running out. Low. Lifeline low.
I am down.
Hand, I need you. Hand, I need you. Hand, I
Yeah, I'm
need you.
here.
Dropping right.
Reloading.
Can you back up to this robot?
I get it.
Okay, or that. And I'm glad you do. Oh my god, I'm gonna nade all these guys.
Grenade out. Grenade out.
Oh my god! More help! No!
Are they in bunker?
I'm dead.
I'm coming.
No! My god! Fuck! I'm on HP. No, I didn't realize I was so alone, man.
Ah.
It's a full team.
Inside.
And like, I don't know. I think I hear shit or something.
Bangler's 1 HP.